Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I'm going to introduce this Android 12 system special Android head unit for Kia Optima 2015 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox review. This head unit with DVD player and the special honeycomb cable. Let me show honey set first. You can check this special honey's Hyundai Kia power cable. Okay, and this canvas decoder box and AUX left and right and AUX left and right USB and this is camera input. Okay, and this is the part. You can check this left and right insert part. Okay, and screws. Okay. And this GPS antenna. This remote controller. And this radio antenna. There are two USB cable and external microphone. And this camera input. This is original AUX left and right USB. This is original USB adapter. And AUX left and right, this video input. And this audio cable. This subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2 RC type. This audio out left and right, front and rear output. Okay. And please check this two screw need to remove this for take out screw before installing. Fix DVD in the shippings. This back of head unit, you can check this connector, power connector, fuse, GPS connector, the Wi-Fi radio antenna. Okay, and let me power with 12 voltage. Connect the arm back of head unit and connection. Okay, you can check the head unit where we start. There are two USB cable. You can connect the back of head unit to this connection. Let me connect the USB. This DVD slot. Okay, head unit start. Okay, let me show this volume. Please take out this screw protector before using. You can check. Please tear this probe. You can change the wallpaper from live wallpaper. Set the home screen or this wallpaper. Okay. This home button, there SD card and two SD card slots. This microphone, reset IR, reset hole. This DVD out, DVD player. Speed up, clear the memory, you can check. And a very fast response. It's built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from it. This radio, FM and AM. Speed play for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Google Maps built in the Google Maps. DSP amplifier. APK installer. APK installer, there are speed play. You can install the speed play APK for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. And you can visit the website. Belsee.com, Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website, contact us. Let me check the other settings. Storage, you can check the total 64 GB. This car settings, person setting, LED settings, you can change the button color with green, orange, red, blue, any color. You can adjust this panel. Let me choose the red. Okay. Driver settings. You can turn on the watching video. If not, you can't watch a video on this head unit. This reserve camera settings. Okay. And restore factory settings. You can restore the settings. In the car settings. Okay. And display brightness you can adjust. And system, you can change the language here. But device, you can check the MCU variant and PX6 Android 12 variant. Okay. Okay, this is our website, belsee.com. If you have latest Android head unit. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.